when the first drum beats, dum, dum, dum. They just roared.
One of the most eagerly awaited shows.
Dirty Dancing, the musical.
Now live audiences can enjoy this iconic love story.
The fastest selling show in West End history.
Dirty Dancing
is the hottest ticket in town.
They hit all the scenes, they hit all your favorite parts of the movie. They nailed it, I thought.
This was fabulous.
Our staging is absolutely beautiful.
I loved every minute of it.
Had I had any idea that this is what would happen, I would have done it years ago.
The first time I saw Dirty Dancing, I was in high school.
My babysitter and my sister, it was their favorite movie, and we watched it every single Saturday night. I was a teenager, and I took the bus to the mall movie theater.
I carried watermelon.
I loved it.
It's a real good love story.
The moves were phenomenal, music was fantastic, everything about the movie was just incredible.
It's as if the audience has waited half their lives for this moment. It is so astounding.
Nobody puts baby in the corner! My favorite scene is definitely that last scene, when he returns. That's too easy, Nicole. I like hands and hearts and hearts.
It should have been a musical right away.
Absolutely fantastic.
My heart is still beating, I swear it.
You leave feeling on top of the world.
The time of my life.
I've had the time of my life.
No, I never felt this way before. Yes, I swear it's the truth. And I owe it all to you.